Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace a smoke detector. Step 1. Listen to your environment. I hear an alarm goes on. Don't panic. Step 2. Check if the signal is really coming from the smoke detector. Step 3. Use a step ladder or a chair to reach the detector. Step 4. Unclip the cover of the smoke detector by pushing it upward, then turning it in one direction. Step 5. Replace the battery of the detector. Step 6. Connect the new battery. You will see two different terminals. Place the smaller terminal into the larger one and press. Step 7. Put the cover back on using the small notches. This is notches. Push upward, then twist like before. Step 8. Wait for the alarm to stop. Step 9. Wait for the red light turn off. Step 10. Put away the tools and it's done. Thank you.